Tahmina ji, some people they say that they want to join the business, but the first thing they heard about investment, they step back.
Hmm.
What do you want to say about that?
Honestly, Harminder, the only place that you can start something which will make you an income without putting in anything is a job.
Hmm.
Anything else out there that is cheap, like a $50 investment, and you make, there's nothing like that out there. You have to put in, पैसा ही पैसे को खींचता है. अगर आप पैसा डालोगे तो पैसा, जितना क्या कहते हैं, जितना गुड़ डालो उतना मीठा होता है, something like that. So everything, anything successful that you want to start, anything, you need to invest. And I can give multiple examples. I can give examples regarding business and other things in life also. Like if you want your child to be really highly educated, you're not going to send them to a college, you're going to send them to university. Guess what? It costs 10 times more, right? With
Hmm.
the hopes that because he goes to university, he's going to make more money. Honestly,
Hmm.
I feel even going to a college, you can make that much money, but that thing is there because you hit a ceiling. When you're in a college, you hit a ceiling with your income. Going to
Hmm.
university, putting in more money, they are possible that they will make more money in the future. Other things, I
Hmm.
can give you an example, and this is what I always do is, again, coming to the fact, if somebody wants to start a salon from home, can she just wake up
Hmm.
one morning and say, you know what, I will start a salon from next month? First and foremost, she needs to
Hmm.
do training. If she's already done training,
Hmm.
she has spent money somewhere in that training. Or let's say today she decides, I want to do this, then she has to go and invest in a course. After she invests
Hmm.
in the
Yeah.
course, guess what? She's not suddenly, unless she goes and works in other people's salon, where then you have to leave home and take, go and service other ladies in other salons as a job.
Hmm.
You want to start from home, you have to invest. A chair, mirror,
Hmm.
hair dryer, makeup, whatever, right? You're going to invest all
Hmm.
that money. If you start wanting
Exactly.
selling clothes from home, you buy all this lot from India. अभी वो India बंदा free तो नहीं देगा आपको. You have to put in some money. Credit पे तो नहीं देगा
Hmm.
कि आप 100 सूट लेकर जाओ, बिक गया तो ठीक है वरना वापस कर दो. नहीं, you have to put
Hmm.
in the money, bring the suits. You have invested whatever $1,000, $5,000. Now, when are you going to recover that? There's no guarantee. It is an
Hmm.
investment, na, at the end of the day.
Yeah. Yes.
So any
That's true.
business out there, you do have to invest to start. In our
Hmm.
business, the startup cost is, we have a training program that we charge you for, and we have a business ID that you have to invest in. Now it's up to you how
Hmm.
much you want to invest. But the potential that
Exactly.
our business has, and if you do the things that are needed, it has very, very good potential. And you have so much
Wow.
flexibility. The examples that I
Wow.
gave you about selling
Hmm.
clothes from home or a salon, the woman has to actively be doing those things. Right? Like
Hmm.
अगर वो salon चला रही है, अगर उसको पूरा दिन चलाना है salon, if she wants to make good money, she has to be on her feet servicing clients all day and get that many clients, right? Market herself.
Exactly.
Selling
Exactly.
suits also is not easy. 5 बंदे
Hmm.
आएंगे, 10-50 सूट देख के जाएंगे, उसको घड़ी मारो, उसको उठा के रखो, या उनसे बातें करो, शो करो, and they may not buy anything.
Hmm.
Why are we
That's
doing
true.
that? So that you can stay at home and do. Our business is the kind that runs in the background. You don't have to be
Hmm.
actively doing it. आपने एक दो पोस्ट कर ली दिन में, that's it. कोई inquiries आई, messages आई, एक दो लोगों से बात कर ली, घर बैठे बैठे वो अपने घर में, आप अपने घर में हो. You're talking to them, So it's a very different dynamic with our business. It's a lot of flexibility. You can run it the way you want, and you can do other things also if you want on the side. So
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
what it is. But yes, you do have to start any legit business out there. I always tell people there is going to be a startup cost. There is no way there is none. But the beauty of it is you can write off a lot of those costs too, especially in
Hmm.
countries like ours in North America and all that. You can write off a lot of them. You can write off your cell phone bill, your internet bill. You can write off a part of your home mortgage or rent that you're paying for your business. There's many advertising cost अगर आप कर रहे हो, या आप कोई tools में invest करते हो, जैसे अगर आप एक paid Canva account लेते हो, कुछ भी, all of this is expenses that you can
Hmm.
write off. So
Yeah.
that is what the
Absolutely.
beauty of it is. Yeah.
Yeah.